Guys, bagong update sa pagkamatay ni Cap Oscar. Yung NBI, may tinitingnan silang anggulo na may dahilan kung bakit namatay si Cap Oscar. So tingnan na lang natin yung video. Let's go. May connection nga ba siya sa pagkamatay ni Cap Oscar or accessories ba siya sa crime?
Pagkakaalam ko, he was now in the custody of the Digo City Police Office.
And, kayo nakulan siya?
Of course, he was very important. He is really part of this investigation. Kasi hindi ka ako mag-conclude, pero my opinion is that he is part and parcel of this criminal design. Kasama siya.
Bakit siya?
Sabi ko nga, when we conducted the reenactment, yung shooter is, the vehicle is slowly moving. And while the vehicle is moving, the shooter has really the chance to shoot. Wherein, kung wala lang yung matanda, yung parang distraction doon, makikita ni Kapitan Bukol.
Okay.
Kasi very clear, dito sa left side niya, may clear shot talaga. So, sa akin, in my own personal opinion, kung wala lang yung matanda doon, walang distraction, Kapitan Bukol could have seen that vehicle, and most likely, he can escape from that bullet that causes death.
Okay.
Oo. Mailagan pa siguro niya. Kasi kung, siyempre itong lalaki, yung matanda, naging distraction.
Kasi
Nag-uusap sila. So, yung attention ni Kapitan doon sa matanda, unknowingly, bumabaktas yung vehicle, yung inuba, dahan-dahan. Then, nagkaroon ng clear shot. Boom, dito. Malaki talaga ang side.
Open talaga.
Open talaga.